How to install ChatGPT Atlas browser. For example, you can see the browser right here. The first thing you want to do is go onto Google and you're going to type in Atlas browser. After you have done that, you're going to select the first option, which is introducing ChatGPT Atlas, and you're going to tap on download for macOS. Once you have selected download for macOS, you're going to see it downloaded in the top right hand corner, and you're just going to tap on downloads. Then you're going to tap on the file icon. Once you have selected the file icon, you'll be redirected to the downloads file. And you're going to right click. To right click, you'll simply press down with 2 fingers on the mouse pad. After doing that, you're going to tap on open. Once it opens up, you're just going to drag ChatGPT Atlas to applications. After you have added it to applications, you can simply paste it in the applications right here. After you have done that, all you need to do now, you're going to see it appear right there. But what I want you to do is simply close this. And you can tap in the top right hand corner and you can search for it. So you could type in ChatGPT and you're just going to tap on enter. From there, you'll select login with ChatGPT. Then you can sign in with your Google account, or you can enter in the email address that you would like to sign up with. And that's it. That's how to add ChatGPT Atlas browser on your Mac device. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.